This is a new module, a new level, and a new possibility. Introducing the new 3D scanning technology, Revopoint Mini, a revolutionary, portable, professional, and high-precision industrial 3D scanner. Equipped with industrial-grade blue light, it offers metrology-grade scanning with a resolution of 5 times higher than ever before and a precision of up to 20 microns. It aids in the collection of surface measurements of physical things into 3D digital form fast and precisely, and compare measurements to CAD models to ensure parts meet acceptable tolerances. It makes it easier to redevelop or improve the product by reverse engineering the product structure. Mini can examine and compare various related object specimens in the field of paleontology, observe physical similarities and differences through the data, and environmental evolutionary changes about the samples. It also captures color and subtle textures, and measurements can be captured without touching it. Artifacts are being digitized for virtual museums, and collections are being archived and preserved in digital form. Revopoint Mini allows healthcare practitioners to quickly record vast amounts of measurement data in order to make tailored medical products for patients. Designers can showcase their talents in a brand new way with Mini. Revopoint Mini supports shape, marker point, and dual-axis turntable alignment. With a 10 frames per second scan speed, no second is wasted. Revopoint Mini provides key functions for product quality inspection and reverse engineering. Its powerful capturing technology and portability allow you to let your imagination run wild. Once you've captured the dream, it's time to build the next one.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.